Watch this. One topic, one formula, and boom. 5 viral-ready titles, each with a different psychological hook, generated instantly. No more title fatigue, no more guesswork, and 0 manual brainstorming. If you're still using Google Sheets just for math, you're missing out on the ultimate creator cheat code. Let's build your AI title generator. Okay, so I have a blank spreadsheet open. The first thing I want to do, I'm going to hit the Gemini icon here, and I'm going to enter this prompt in. So this prompt basically says, act as a YouTube expert, create a 5-row table for video title, experiment with exactly 3 columns. And these are the 3 columns: a topic column, a psychological hook column, and the generated video title column. But don't worry about trying to copy this prompt down. I'll leave all those in the description to this video. So I have that prompt in. I'm going to hit submit, and Gemini created this table for me. I like the layout of it. It has the topic column with the actual psychological hooks here, and then the title is going to generate for us will be here. So I like the layout of this table, so I'm going to hit insert here to insert this table into our sheet. So now I want to do a couple of things. First, I'm going to put equals or plus, and I'm gonna reference this cell A2, and I'm gonna drag that formula down. And what I want to do is, this is going to be the cell A2 that we're going to use to type in whatever topic we want this table to generate the title for. Instead of having to like type it in once here, I can type in YouTube SEO and it will copy it all the way down to all the other cells. So I only have to type it in once and it will just copy it down to the other 4 cells. The other thing I want to do is I'm going to use the AI function to generate the new title based on the psychological hooks. So what I'm going to do here is enter in this AI function. And when I do that, I'm going to hit enter, and it's generated this title based on the topic I have here in this column and the psychological hook. So fear of missing out, it came up with this title: don't miss out, explore your views with these SEO secrets. And what I'm going to do now is come here and drag that formula down. And what it does is it creates new video titles based on these psychological hooks and the topic that I have here. It gave me like 5 variations of this YouTube SEO growth topic. So the secret to YouTube SEO, why your videos are failing, the SEO secret most creators will never find, limited time, that's the scarcity psychological hook, how 1,000+ creators mastered YouTube SEO and you can too, social proof, YouTube SEO from 0 to 1 million views overnight, the extreme contrast. So even if I like change this topic and I come here and I go to this little circle icon, it'll show refresh and insert. If I do that, it'll generate a new title based on this topic and this psychological hook. So if I come down and I do the same thing, just hit refresh and insert, it will give me different variations of video titles based on the psychological hook. That's how I use Gemini to create a title generator in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, subscribe for more tips like this.